Hello, good day. My name is Hussein and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. I'm back again to bring you all some of the updates in the financial markets, starting off first from the stock markets, which are performing mostly sideways as new restrictions are imposed in the United States. San Francisco and Los Angeles are closing cinemas, museums, and gyms amid rising infection cases. The number of hospitalized in the US are rising, and Anthony Fauci, a top US disease expert, warned that the United States would see surge upon surge of coronavirus cases as people return home from the Thanksgiving holiday and due to a worsening weather conditions. However, investors have some reasons of optimism. Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine is set to be approved in the United Kingdom in the coming days. First days of Christmas sales in the United States went better than expected, which is a good sign of stronger consumer confidence. Overall, positive factor outweigh the negative, but risks are on the table too. The S&P 500 broad market index is trying to develop its gain on this background in order to succeed the index, which has to be break through the long-term resistance level of 3650 to 3655 points level. The appetite for risk is recovering. US 10-year benchmark Treasury yield declined to 0.84%. Gold prices continue to decline as investors are disappointed with the relief bill negotiation process. The new stimulus package could provide a long-awaited help for the stumbling recovery of the US economy. Technically, gold prices may slide to $1,725 per troy ounce with an inevitable correction afterwards. OPEC and its allies are discussing a possible extension of existing production cuts that are expiring in the end of this month. OPEC countries has reached the compliance with the cutbacks at 102% in November. However, the overall OPEC production of crude rose by 750,000 barrels per day from October, according to Reuters survey that what we saw earlier. Libya, an OPEC member exempted from OPEC cuts, have seen a recovery in output 700,000 basis points, outperforming expectations of experts and OPEC itself. When we talk about Iran and Venezuela, are also exempted from OPEC cuts, increased production too, right? So United Arab Emirates increased their daily production supply by 90,000 basis points, the sharpest rise among the all OPEC countries bound by the agreement. However, UAE has not exhausted its quota by the date. Saudi Arabia, the largest producer of crude, has maintained crude production level in November as Kuwait did so too. Most of the OPEC countries are inclined to postpone the easing of cutbacks that is set on January 1. Nevertheless, hopes of a new agreement on existing cuts extension may not be met amid tension with the cartel and its allies. If the extension will not be approved, Brent crude prices may end this week way below $45 per barrel. That's all for the day, and thank you very much.